Hello, and thank you for taking the time to watch this instructional video for how to use Google Sheets. The first video will walk you through how to open a Google Sheet and some of the basic functions for entering information into a Google Sheet. To open a new Google Sheet, the first thing you need to do is go to your Google Drive. If you do not remember how to get to your Google Drive, you can simply type drive.google.com into your browser and your drive will come up. Once you are in your drive, you will click on the big New button in the top left-hand corner of your page. You will go down to where it says Sheets, and you will click on Blank Spreadsheet. This will open a new spreadsheet in a new window. Once our new spreadsheet opens, the first thing we are going to want to do is name our spreadsheet. In order to do this, you just click the mouse where it says Untitled Spreadsheet and type in what you would like to name it. I am going to call this spreadsheet Demo Spreadsheet. Now this spreadsheet will save in my drive and I can revisit my progress whenever I need to. Google Sheets is just like Microsoft Excel. We can input data, make a list, organize the data alphabetically, numerically, etc. In the next video, we will talk about inputting data and some of the functions that Google Sheets will allow us to do once we have the information in the document. Please check out video number 2 to see what we can do with a sheet that has data in it.